Hi. Let's learn about the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence, developed by the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, is a steadily increasing series where each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. For example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. The Fibonacci sequence doesn't have a specific formula, but the numbers tend to have certain relationships with each other. The numbers in the sequence are important to mathematicians, scientists, and naturalists because they approximate the golden ratio of 1.618, which is derived from the sequence. In finance, the Fibonacci sequence can be applied using four techniques including retracements, arcs, fans, and time zones. Fibonacci retracements, the most common technique, require choosing two price points on a chart and then drawing Fibonacci lines at percentages of that move to determine potential support and resistance levels. The limits of the squares of successive Fibonacci numbers create a spiral known as the Fibonacci spiral, which follows turns by a constant angle close to the golden ratio. This spiral is evident in nature, such as in the number of spirals in pinecones and the number of petals in flowers. The Fibonacci sequence is evident in almost all flowering plants, where the number of petals on the flower is a Fibonacci number. It is rare to find a flower where the number of petals doesn't follow the Fibonacci sequence. Traders easily equate patterns in charts through the Fibonacci sequence, and while it's unproven that Fibonacci numbers relate to fundamental market forces, the sequence can affect trading behavior by creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. The Fibonacci sequence, with its ties to the golden ratio, can be used in trading and finance to identify potential support and resistance levels through retracements, arcs, fans, and time zones. Here are four key takeaways. 1. The Fibonacci sequence is a set of steadily increasing numbers where each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. 2. The golden ratio of 1.618 is derived from the Fibonacci sequence. 3. Many things in nature have dimensional properties that adhere to the golden ratio of 1.618. 4. The Fibonacci sequence can be applied to finance by using four techniques including retracements, arcs, fans, and time zones. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.